Imagine stepping into a room that time slows down. A room that feels more like a living poem than a simple bedroom. This is the Victorian Master Bedroom. It is not only a place to sleep, it is a sanctuary of elegance, of luxury, and of romance from another age. Behind a sturdy wooden door, you enter a world where details matter, where color, light, and texture combine to create an atmosphere that enchants the soul. The first thing that greets you is color. Victorian interiors are never empty or plain. They are rich, layered, and expressive. Deep burgundy, emerald green, royal blue, and warm gold. Creams and ivories to balance the richness. Walls often dressed in damask or floral wallpaper, patterns that echo the artistry of the 19th century. These colors were not chosen by accident. They were designed to create a mood, to bring both grandeur and intimacy. As afternoon light slips through heavy velvet curtains, the room glows with warmth. The colors come alive, whispering stories from another time. Part 2, the bed, the grand centerpiece. At the heart of the room stands the bed, a true masterpiece. Large, imposing, often carved from mahogany or walnut. The headboard, adorned with detailed woodwork, sometimes crowned with a canopy, draped in cascading fabrics. This is not just furniture, it is the stage of the entire room. The bedding is thick and inviting, embroidered linens, quilted blankets, pillows edged with lace or silk. Here, sleep becomes more than routine. It becomes ritual. It becomes luxury. Part 3, furniture and wooden warmth. Surrounding the bed is a collection of furniture, each piece telling its own story. An ornate wardrobe with brass handles, a vanity with a gilded mirror, a fainting couch or an upholstered armchair resting in the corner by the fireplace. Dark wood dominates, heavy, rich, and solid. Yet every surface is softened by curves, carvings, and intricate detail. The Victorian master bedroom was never empty. It was filled with presence, with character, with soul. Part 4, fabrics and textures. Victorian design is defined by layers of fabric. velvet drapes, heavy and dramatic. Sheer lace curtains filtering the sunlight. Persian rugs thick beneath the feet, woven with patterns that speak of faraway places. Every textile is a touch of opulence. Every fold, every tassel is part of the room's narrative. Even the smallest cushions on a chair carry a sense of intention. Nothing here is random. Everything is chosen with care. Part 5. Decoration and Lighting. Look upward, and a chandelier glimmers, crystal prisms scattering warm light across the room. On the walls, framed portraits and landscapes, paintings in heavy gilded frames, telling tales of ancestry and aspiration. A clock ticks gently on a marble mantel. A porcelain vase holds fresh flowers, bringing life into the formality. Large mirrors, carved with wooden or golden frames, reflect both light and luxury. Lighting is never harsh. It is soft, golden, romantic, designed not only to brighten, but to inspire. Part 6. Floors and Rugs. The floor beneath you is polished wood, often dark oak, shining with care. Across it lies a grand rug, Persian, Oriental, or Abyssinian. The rug is not simply a decoration. It anchors the room. It softens the step. It tells its own story through pattern and color. A Victorian bedroom was never just a stage. It was lived in. On the desk, a fountain pen and parchment, perhaps a half-written letter. On the vanity, crystal perfume bottles, small treasures waiting to be admired. Near the fireplace, a fainting couch invites one to rest, to read, to dream. This room was not only for sleep, it was for thought, for reflection, for imagination. Reflection. Why timeless? Why does the Victorian master bedroom still capture us today? Because it is more than design. It is philosophy. It speaks to the human desire for meaning in details, for elegance in daily life, for beauty that lasts beyond trends. In an age where everything moves fast, this room reminds us to pause, to sit, to breathe, to admire. The Victorian bedroom is timeless because it is not only about how we live, but about how we dream. And so, as we stand inside this world of elegance, we feel something deeper than decoration. We feel presence. We feel history. We feel beauty that does not fade. The Victorian Master Bedroom remains a symbol of grace, romance, and timeless design. Thank you for joining this journey through elegance. If you enjoyed this inspiration, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay with us for more ideas to transform your home